If your Ninebot scooter is stuck at just 25 kilometers per hour, no worries. Today, I'll show you how to unlock the full speed of your Ninebot scooter using nothing but your phone. No tools, no modifications, no tech skills needed. But first, let's prove it. Check out this Ninebot GT Max. It's currently limited to 25 kilometers per hour. That's the factory speed cap in many countries, especially here in Europe and Australia. But stick with me. In just a few minutes, we'll bump that up to 35 kilometers per hour. And quick heads up, if you're looking to upgrade your ride, we've listed some top-rated scooter accessories in the description below. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Grab your iPhone and head to the App Store. Search for Bluetooth Assistant and install it. Open the app and you'll see a list of nearby Bluetooth devices. Now turn on your scooter and look for the name that includes your scooter's serial number. Found it? Tap to connect. Once you're connected, scroll down to the option that says Write Without Response, or sometimes just Write. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll need to enter a special code that tells the scooter to unlock its full speed. Don't worry, just drop a comment below and I'll send you the code directly. Once you've got it, paste the code into the app, hit send, and you're done. And congratulations, your Ninebot scooter is now unlocked and can hit up to 35 kilometers per hour. But remember, riding at higher speed drains battery faster. Got any questions? Just leave a comment and I'll try my best to help everyone out. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more electric scooter tips, tricks, and hacks.